Okay, moving on with my motor drive design. I'm gonna be going over the remaining boxes in this side of the STM32. So I'm gonna start today with adding the CAN interfaces. Let's see. So I'm gonna start with just adding the CAN2B, and then I will look at the CANFD transceiver. Oh. Let's see here. So for CAN2B, I'll be using the TGA. Let's see, where is it? Let's find the exact model. So the transceiver that I want to use should support CANFD as well, but in this case it's only because I want to use the same chip for both the CAN2B and CANFD on the transceiver side. So this is not the interface side, this is the transceiver side. For CAN2B, the interface side is inside the STM32. For CANFD, the interface is implemented using an external controller, which then connects to a transceiver. And I want to use a transceiver that I can use for both types of interfaces, so that I don't have to add another transceiver to the BOM just because I use different chips for CANFD and normal CAN. So there is a high-speed transceiver called TGA something. Let's see, high-speed CAN TGA. Could be TGA. TG. Okay. I'll just search for high-speed CAN transceiver. CAN interface ATA 6561 TCAN. Let's see. TJA. And I just have to make sure that this transceiver supports high-speed CAN operation up to 5 megabit per second, because we want to use it for CANFD as well. And the thing is, the price is usually not very much different. So might as well go with the same chip, so that I only have to buy one type of component instead of two. Yeah, 5 megabit per second. One driver, one receiver. CAN interface. TGA 1044. CAN accepts supply voltages between 3 and 5 volts, and has ESD protection. And what is the common mode voltage, maximum common mode voltage. Let's see. Absolute maximum ratings. Right. Plus minus 42 volts. So ideally, it would be better to use something that kind of goes beyond 48 volts when we have a 48 volt system. It's not that this is not really that important, because this is just to protect to make it kind of foolproof. So if you have a 48 volt system, somebody may just plug in 48 volts into any input on your device, and then things can break or things can short. You know, like a CAN bus cable can be accidentally shorted to the 48 volt cable. But that is just exceptions. So I'm going to rely on the I'm going to rely on people not doing that, and this is at least certified according to this standard. What is this standard? So this is, maybe this is like 12 volt CAN standard, in which case this would be applicable to only 12 volt systems. Radio system, electronic tubes, valves, and only those semiconductor devices. Okay, this is pretty generic. From 1961. So what I want to do here, what I want to do here is search for all of the receivers and transceivers, all of the transceivers that I can find that support 5 megabit and show similar. Supply voltage, and can we, let's see, okay, this is not applicable. TCAN, ISO, yeah, there's quite a few of them. And supply voltage, let's go 5.5 volts. So we're not interested in anything that's only 3.6 volts.